Hello there! If you're looking to build a maintenance strategy that not only saves you money but also increases your equipment's reliability, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be delving into the key factors to consider when establishing your maintenance strategy and the steps to follow. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, and I'll be your guide in understanding how to assess the cost of failure, monitor your assets effectively, and choose the right maintenance approach for each piece of your equipment. So, let's get started. When it comes to selecting the perfect maintenance strategy for your equipment, it's not as simple as picking the most effective or least expensive option. It's about assessing the cost of failure and the ease of monitoring that asset. Let's dive into the two primary factors to consider when determining your maintenance strategy. Firstly, the cost of equipment failure. If your asset breaks down, what impact will that have? Equipment downtime, repair costs, safety, and environmental impacts all come into play. For instance, the U.S. loses over $647 billion each year due to machine downtime. So for equipment that's central to keeping your processes running, certain breakdowns are definitely worth preventing. But why does equipment fail in the first place? Overworking equipment, physical damages, mishandling and errors, insufficient maintenance, and improper installation or design are some of the most common reasons. Secondly, the ease of monitoring the equipment. Watching over each piece of equipment incurs a cost. If the cost of monitoring a given asset would be more than that of the failure mode it prevents, it may not be worth implementing. Where monitoring is more expensive, maintenance strategies that require less vigilance may be more appropriate. Now let's talk about the steps to choosing the right maintenance strategy. Step 1 is laying the groundwork. You'll need a team with members from multiple departments and sufficient maintenance data. This team will meet on a semi-regular basis to assess your current maintenance strategies and make adjustments as needed. Step 2 is conducting a criticality analysis. This is how your team will determine how much an asset will cost you if it fails. The higher an asset's criticality, the higher its potential costs. Step 3 involves assessing the costs of different strategies. The more monitoring intensive a strategy is, the more it will cost. Step 4 is choosing a maintenance strategy. With the cost of failure and the cost of maintenance in hand, it's time to determine the best maintenance strategy for your equipment. Step 5 is implementing your strategy. Once you determine the strategy to use for each asset, it's time to implement it. This may represent a major shift in your maintenance team's culture, so this will take some planning. Finally, step 6 is monitoring your progress and making adjustments. Once you've implemented your maintenance strategy, it's not the end. You need to monitor its progress and make adjustments as you go. There are several types of maintenance strategies. Reactive maintenance is the simplest form, where if something breaks, the maintenance team works to get it back into service. Proactive maintenance aims to avoid failure by addressing conditions that can lead to a breakdown. And reliability-centered maintenance gives you the freedom to assign maintenance strategies to maximize reliability while optimizing resources. Implementing a reliability-centered approach, such as RCM, is your best bet to increase the certainty of your decisions. By focusing on the functions of your equipment and mitigating risks, you can be confident that you have the right maintenance safeguards in place. Remember, choosing the right type of maintenance is going to be specific to each company and to each asset. But with the right strategy, you can increase your equipment reliability and save money while doing so. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key factors to consider when establishing your maintenance strategy, the steps to follow, and the importance of choosing the right maintenance approach for each piece of your equipment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you increase your equipment reliability and save money.